What's the meaning of acidic? Acidic. 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 In chemistry, an acidic substance is one that has a pH less than 7. This means that it has a higher concentration of hydrogen ions than a neutral substance. Acidic substances can have a sour taste, and they can react with bases to form salts. Some common examples of acidic substances include vinegar, lemon juice, and stomach acid. Acidic substances can be corrosive, and they can cause burns to the skin and eyes. They can also be harmful if swallowed, and they can damage the environment. It is important to handle acidic substances with care, and to always wear protective gear when working with them.